This brand is a private label brand made for the Everest Group by Daikin Comfort Technologies Manufacturing LP, which is a part of Daikin Industries Limited. The units are sold through dealers in the USA and they are also backed by a very good warranty. The units have a factory-installed filter dryer to protect the refrigerant system from the effects of moisture, but they use R410A refrigerant, which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R32. All of the heat pumps use ECM motors for the condenser fans, which are quieter and more energy efficient than brands that use PSC motor technology. The GSZ14 units are basic heat pumps with smart shift technology where the refrigerant pressures are reduced prior to entering and exiting the defrost mode, which makes less noise and minimizes the wear and tear on the reversing valve. They have a compressor blanket for overall noise reduction. The DSCC18 models are a good option in the premium category as they have all the normal features, plus they have the ability to communicate with the other parts of the home's heating and cooling systems to maximize comfort and efficiency. They also have a 2-speed condenser fan for less noise and better efficiency. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.